Alright, welcome to another live stream. This is your host, Trade with Tayyib. Let's do some live analysis. Yep. So going down to let's see. Alright, yeah. So yeah, we're looking at a daily time frame, right? And on daily time frame, even though this previous red candle was heavily bearish, which means it was on the downside, we have on weekly, we're creating some sort of support at this area. So I'm not really, sort concerned about this red candle, because what have happened in the past is that we have created a high bullish momentum. So now we're just retracing back for possibly another push up. So I'm gonna go into a 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour, we're breaking above this previous candle's high. Today is a Friday, so we might just be consolidating a lot because next week is gonna come up, this week is ending, so we're sort of like in the middle of things. 1 hour time frame, it seems like price is rejecting this area. I'm gonna take a look at a lower time frame, see. So we definitely have some support here, and there is a resistance the price is maintaining with 5 minutes to go in this 30-minute time frame. Let's see. Okay, so now as we go down to lower time frame, the whole purpose of going down to lower time frame is tightening up these zones so we can have an idea where price is moving. So as of right now, what I would be looking for is for price to either close below this area to continue to go down and test these lows, right? Or price to break above this area for it to continue to push up to these highs here. Either way, I will have to wait for price to give us a better direction and then anticipate my move. Smo, smo. Trade. Let's do a speed run. Brother, whenever I am streaming, why is this? Why is this happening? So it's basically when I stream, I get the lowest amount of speed. Seven 24, 3 minutes. 2 daily analysis on gold. All right, I'm gonna remove these arrows here. I will wait for this candle to close and then I could enter a buy. That's what I'll do. Look at this breakfast. beautiful, amazing breakfast. This breakfast deserves the picture. Smo. So just waiting here for price to close. Ideally, I want price to close bullish, but let's see. So if the price does, if 30-minute closes bearish, right? Then I would have to wait for, I can't just enter buys. I would have to wait for price to create a lower wick, and then as it is breaking its own high, then I'll enter for price to continue to push up. Let's update. New version has been installed. Okay. Whenever I am streaming through OBS, my internet speed drops like a muff, like a muff. Whenever your internet drops in OBS, it usually means your video bitrate is higher than your actual upload bandwidth can handle, causing network congestion. Fix this by lowering your bitrate. Brother, I had 500 Mbps without the cable. That's without the cable. That's more than enough to stream. I need chat GPT. I need chat. My internet goes from 500 Mbps to 3 Mbps. Oh, it's still not closed. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that was I was looking at 1 hour. I was looking at 1 hour. Okay. Uh, I don't know, man. This 30 minute is making me a little concerned. I'm, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a bit of a gamble for me. I was really hoping for this 15 minute to close above this area, but it didn't. Alright, I am on check your upload bitrate on go to settings, bitrate, the typical values. Even an 8000 kbps stream should not reduce your download speed. Does this okay, let's look at settings then. Settings. That's not the settings I want to look at. Settings. Output. Let's see, stream. Thousand kbps. Let's just do 8000. Does the slowdown happen only while, yeah, open speed test, run a test, start streaming, run another test. Down, tell me down, before upload. Check Windows tasks, go to performance Wi-Fi. While streaming is the network uses stuck in the air. Task manager, sorry chat, we're back. Network is at 1%. Jeez. Let's do another test. Okay, we're back. We're back with 500. Get what I'm saying? You catch what I'm putting down. Type shit. Alright, yeah, man. It's I mean there's no reason for me to get in the trade right now. Would it be okay to get in a sell at the break of this low? I think it would be okay. Yeah. So if price continues to break below this area, then there's a higher probability for it to continue to push down. Alright, I'm entered into sells here. I think stop loss will be above this high. Actually, right here is okay. And then if it starts to break above its own high, then I'm gonna manage risk. We should be able to target these lows here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I think I'm in about 20 pips. So I grew this account from 500 to almost 1,000 now, and that's where I changed the lot size from 0.05 to 0.10. And that's the first trade with 0.10 in about 30 pips. It's creating like a squeeze. Also, I'm gonna bring my stop loss to break even. All right. About 50 pips. Nice. Good, good, good. Can we continue to push? Can we continue to push? I said. All right, let's get it. Okay. I've closed 50% here. I didn't want to take the risk, so I've closed 50% because 15-minute is still open and overall, the trend is still bullish. I'm gonna probably close it here soon. Yeah, I'm gonna close it right here. That's fine. The reason is that okay, now you want to drive? No, that's it's okay. So about $40 in profit, let's say. Yeah, about $40 in profit, 40 pips. That's not bad actually. That's really good. 40 pips in profit. The reason why I closed is because if we take a look at here, I will just bring this chart. So on a 15-minute time frame, I have a support that is formed and I have a resistance. So I closed my position right here because of this support. I would want for price to close below this area, right? For price to continue to push down at these lows. So I'm going to wait for price to close below this area or reject this area. Maybe we can get a close above this resistance for price to continue to push up. But trading here is not going to be beneficial for me because price don't even know what to do. $25 minutes. 7:24. 7:24. Okay, let's see. See? Rejecting. Rejecting. Told ya. I fucking told you, Tommy. Gypsies. What's cracking, cuz? What's cracking? Why are you going all-time lows again? Big dog. Whoa, what a consistent flow of downtrend for the last 6 days. What's cracking, cousin? Yeah, so we're just waiting. This is sort of like a no trade zone. No trade zone. We'll do a little line right here. Little line right here. Cool. Cool. Adjust my zone a little bit. I think this is okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay.
We might just be buying $17 matchas at Coachella because we forgot how to do math. That's because experts are now warning that the last 20-year move to digital learning in school might have just cooked us. You see, not only did recently a neuroscientist testify before US Congress claiming that Gen Z is the first generation in history to score academically lower than their parents despite spending more years in school, but Sweden has now piled on. Because turns out for the last 3 years they have been quietly investing hundreds of millions of dollars in traditional learning again, moving back to paper and textbooks. Why didn't you guys warn us? As recently as 2024, the United States spent around $30 billion on new laptops and tech in school. And now you're telling us you've been sat on this information since 23? The craziest part is that Sweden, for the last 20 years, they've been a global 19th, a global front runner when it comes to digital learning. In fact, they were a country that even implemented laws aimed at exposing children to his 19th minute. A reinstated Ronaldinho for Brazil. And Joe Hart saves. Ronaldinho can't force it in. And nor can the follow-up from Neymar. Another right wing corner for Steven Gerrard inside this first 10 minutes. Oh, what a save
Oh,
by Julio Cesar, but the whistle had gone. Challenge. And look at the room that Neymar's got here. He's got Ronaldinho and Luis Fabiano to work with. Oscar wanting to join in as well. It is Oscar who was leaning back and just betrayed a little bit of his youth there. Actually had time to set himself for a better strike. Last time the two countries met in Doha, he missed a penalty. Oscar blocked. With the penalty.
come on.
With an arm. Pedro Costa points to the penalty spot.
do a little speed test real quick. Alright, we're still good.
First of all, you were quite right. It looked as though it was offside, Fabiano, but the first header was played through to him. He didn't do particularly well. Here we are in the 19th minute. A reinstated Ronaldinho for Brazil. And Johan saves. Ronaldinho can't put it in. And off in the corner. There's a little round for the England goalkeeper from his teammates. It's the second save that's better. This one is not a great penalty. He chooses the right way. Watch this second save. Ronaldinho slides in. He's not strong enough by hand to keep it out. And England get round the next one. Cleverly makes the challenge. Neymar. He goes again. Thought that Ronald. He goes again. Rooney. Wilshere from Welbeck. Well, it was a decent chance. Good spell this for England, and Jack Wilshere's at the heart of it. Good save by Julio Cesar, but Rooney follows up, and England have the lead in the 26th minute. Although the goal was gaping, still needed a composed touch, precision with a bit of pace. But Wilshere at the core of the move. Julio Cesar might have thought he'd done enough saving from Walcott, but Wayne Rooney was there to pick up the pieces. England 1, Brazil 0. Well, this is all about Jack Wilshere. He plays on the 1-2. Now he's got a bit of time on the ball. Brilliant from Wilshere. Plays inside the fullback perfectly. Really good. Walcott should just whipped it over the goalkeeper. There's the 1-2. Now there's a driving run. Now there's the vision to play the ball in behind the fullback. Wayne Rooney still had a lot to do there. He's pulling up. Finish pass. A good finish. The end of England's best period of the game. It's 33rd England goal. Slightly risky kick from apart. It's now Moscow to get the drop on Ashley Cole. Three in the middle. Oh, and one wonderful chance to equalise. And for Neymar, it isn't quite happening so far. Ball kick from Hart. Great ball from Oscar. Keeps getting picked for the team and scoring goals. Actually threatening the all-time club scoring record. Oh, it's a mistake by Cahill. And absolutely fantastic finish from Fred. He's only been on a couple of minutes, but England have shot themselves in the foot here. Personal wins. Johnson. Zuma pressing high up the field. Johnson played a little square ball. Let's see, go. Cahill tried to come out with it. Second half, the underruns and then tries to play the outside. He's moved out to Baines. Moves the pass really back to the centre half. Smalling. He gets the right foot round it now. Just plays it back to Smalling. Okay. He tries to play through the challenge. And Fred does really well. Fancies himself against Adriano. Keeps doing that. One's surely going to drop England's way. Well, this one does. And it's a goal!
Oh my lord.
Frank Lampard!
Lampard! England's team used to be so good.
Get pissed. This is easy. Just jump over it. It's not complicated, see? Okay, you got me there. Okay. Checkmate, bitch. Checkmate, bitch. Bro, I took one step. Alright, don't piss me off, man. How hard can this one be? Okay, take one step and then jump again. Now we're good. Oh. Stop! Motherfucker. Let's be there. Stop! The portal is right there. Oh, no. Stop. I gotcha. You thought. Yes. Alright, I'm not gonna get pissed. This is easy. Just go.
Yeah, your Starbucks you asked for 4 days ago. What the hell is this? It's half dressed. See, I have an announcement to make. You're adopted. Jovan.
You put this on.
Happened to the love of my life that lived in here.
Dude, my roommate got a fucking restraining order.
What's new with you?
Well, I got dumped last week.
Yeah, I see why. Alright, I'll see you in 6 months. Yeah, your Starbucks you asked for 4 days ago.
What the hell is this? It's half dressed.
See, I have an announcement.
Half dressed.
See it.
Okay.
Chris want to call out again. Freaking sissy, dude. God. Dang. Hola, sir. What's up?
See, typically, I would consider this a great opportunity for sell, and it might just be, right? But what I'm seeing here is that we're creating higher highs. So this candle, if we're creating higher highs, it shouldn't break below the previous candle's low. So it's not a great opportunity for price to sell right now. Nonetheless, it could still go down, but the you know it's not with the confluences. It's not with the probabilities. That's the word I'm looking for. The probabilities are not in your favor, and when you're trading, you have to identify these things while looking at the candles to see what exactly is going on. So that's why it's a no trade zone. Traders, traders. All right, so I'm gonna just wait. Hold on. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? Wee. وكان الله غفورا رحيما ومن تاب وعمل صالحا. Hey Amar, what's up Amar? Sorry, I just saw this. I don't know. I can't even tell when he sent this message. Go to channel, pin message. Hey, I'll pin this message. That's the only message. What up, gangsta? What up, Amar? وكان الله غفورا رحيما. You're my number one fan? That's crazy. How long have you been here? Dude, this needs to show me how many people are viewing. I can't even tell how many people are viewing this. So that's why I just don't check the chat. 5 minutes? Cool, cool, cool. So you saw when I was breaking down this why this shouldn't be a sell, even though the next candle here, which is green right now, was gonna be perfect setup for it to continue to push down. Right? It could still do it, but currently we're breaking above the previous highs. We're creating this is a low, this is a higher low. This is high, this is a low. So kind of like a squeeze, right? That's why this is consolidation. And we need to either break above for it to continue to push up to the next target there. Honestly, I don't know if today we're gonna have that much volume because it's already 10 a.m. So, but I've got time today. Amar, I'm trying to set up my. I have a DSLR, right? So I'm trying to set up my DSLR as my webcam instead of the current camera that I have. I don't know if that's gonna be possible, but I think it should be. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Wait, I've never seen your front like your webcam for a stream. Something don't add up. Some don't add up, boy. Long time ago. Oh. Oh, whoa. Come on. And should it look at this. Beautiful. Cool. Oh, should I be?
What's that song? If you have 24,000 American Express points, you have enough points to do a round trip economy flight to London from anywhere in the country. Let me explain. So I super fucked up. I thought we were getting on a big ass boat. This thing's small as fuck. The photo look big as shit, but fuck it, here we are now. So I super fucked up. I thought we were getting on a big ass boat.
Sending hate from Vancouver.
Do you regret not becoming a real doctor?
I'm not a real doctor.
Okay. If you were athletic, what sport would you play?
Tennis. I used to play tennis. I like tennis.
Okay. If you could wish to be pretty, would you?
Neither. Am I not pretty already?
Besides the obvious, what would you change about yourself if you could?
To not be a perfectionist.
That's a good.
Tell me something you hate/don't like about yourself. It could be absolutely anything. It could just be one thing. It's whatever you deem, whatever it comes to mind.
Just waiting. Just waiting, waiting, waiting. It's a waiting game right now.
It could be external, it could be internal, it could be a thought process, it could be emotional, psychological, anything.
Can okay, now maybe I won't. Can we also write what we think each other will write?
Just trying to create shit.
You want to write what I think I hate about myself?
And it's not the same thing.
It's wars, yeah. Also in the comments below, guys, tell us something you guys hate about yourself.
Oh God, don't hate anything about yourself.
It's impossible, bro.
That's agreed. Valid question.
Yeah.
It is impossible.
It's not impossible to not hate something. You know how strong the word hate is?
Okay, I said hate. I said hate.
Use hate loosely.
I said dislike/hate.
Oh my god.
I did say that.
Whoa. Volume kicked in. Volume is here. Volume on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, volume. Alright. I'm gonna wait for this. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute. This is looking juicy. This is looking juicy now. So, on the 15-minute time frame, I am seeing that we're having a break above this zone or this consolidation, right? So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close in 3 minutes, and if it closes the way it is right now, and it wicks down a little bit, just a little wick down, and on the way up, that's where I'm gonna buy. For price to continue to push up. That's the one I'm gonna look for. That is the one. Alright, let's see. Let's get into. Okay. Let's see, 51, 51. Trader gets excited. Seeing volume. 724. Brother, please close above the area. I beg your pardon. Beg your pardon. Beg your pardon. Stop's gonna be big though. It's a big, big stop. Big stop. Big, big. Got still 1 minute to close.
I said don't like/hate.
We're getting a bit nickety today. Okay, can I just draw a line in the sand? Is everyone? Are we okay?
I'm perfectly fine.
Right, everyone's fine. I just want to feel the temp in the room. I'm seeing some wide eyes. We're picking up, splitting hairs.
I'm absolutely down, bro.
Okay.
With what? With communication?
Yeah.
I'm just confirming, man.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really okay.
Okay. I just want to check the temp. Lukewarm.
Yeah, it's cool. But yeah, Alice and I are locked.
Okay.
Does everyone have option B?
Yeah, I'm literally working on option B right now.
Option B as well. Alright.
All things we dislike about ourselves.
Yeah. It's so easy.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Mine's pretty easy. I could name.
Come on, don't keep pushing up.
Why do you guys have so many? That's actually
I'm self-aware.
Yeah, I'm self-aware.
Yeah,
self-aware.
right.
self-aware, so we're not going to do that and gaslight me and make me feel like
No,
I'm not
it's
self-aware.
No, that's just our genuine answer.
I am, and I'm aware of myself.
Brother. Brother. Oh my god, bro. It's gonna be a L. Oh my god. I'm not confident in these kind of trades. I hope it works. I really do. I've entered into a buy. The stop loss is gonna be break of this low. Positions. Come on, brother. Volume. If you're here, please make a noise. Make a move. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna close. Okay, you know what? I already entered a lower lot, so that's good. I'm still gonna close sort of like half of the position if it flips bearish. I really hope it doesn't flip bearish. We should be okay, man. We should be okay. Is it already too far gone? Yeah, it's a bit too far gone, isn't it? It's a bit too far gone. But, let's see. Like this last 5-minute candle was a lot of volume. That's the only reason why I'm staying in this trade. So I'm about 20 pips in. I'm watching it. So we've got 1 minute and 5-minute time frame. 1 minute is a lot because the last candle moved up in 1 minute. All right, so about almost 40 pips. I might just take it if it hits 40 pips. It's gonna retrace back. I already knew it. It's gonna retrace back. But if the 5-minute, I'm watching the 5-minute, and if it closes the way it is right now, I'm okay with it. I'm not mad because the next 5 minute is definitely gonna push. But come on, stop coming back down. Lord, come on. Stop playing with me. Okay, 5-minute closes bullish. Seems like we're continuing to push up. About 30 pips in profit. Nice, nice. Come on, keep going. All right, I'll take this. 40 pips in profit. Let's go. Let's go. 2 for 2, baby. 2 for 2. Looking nice today. Looking real nice today. Oh, that count is at 1,000. That was nice. Cash out on the Jesus pace. Whoa. 56 minutes, I think. When did that trade start? Let's see. I think 20. Yeah. 20? 2 for 20? Current closing time 15:20. Bro, give me the time in American. Opening 15:15. So that was what, 7 minutes ago?
Pretty much. That's two different things. Just because I want to improve something doesn't mean I dislike it about myself. It's it's an area which, yes, may need improvement, which actually is what I've written.
Fair.
Which actually does prove your point, but I just don't have as many of them as you're saying, is what I'm saying.
Oh, fair.
All right.
With that being said, have you written two or you don't have two?
I've got one. Let me go last on the B.
Okay,
Let me think about my B.
Ellis, since you were done first, can you please? Do you want to reveal both at the same time, or do you want to go one by one?
Let's go one by one. Each do one, then do another.
Cool.
My first one is I sweat all fucking time.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on. I was told that I can be on medication for it. But I don't like the sound of that. To be honest. Yeah, it fucking pisses me off. My hands are always soaking. They're soaking right now.
That's funny.
It's terrible. My hands always sweat.
Yeah.
I can't wear grey. Seriously. If I was wearing what James is wearing, I need to be careful with this, to be honest. If this was a bit lighter, it's just massive patches.
Irrespective of what like deodorant you use.
Yeah, because I've gone on Fussy now, which is good. Fussy. Basically it's like a subscription thing. You get like little pods, you can put them in, and it's like a refillable thing.
Oh, nice.
It's better than buying candles all the fucking time. I hate links and shit.
I see.
Stupid. But that's supposed to help you not sweat as much.
They can't be real images.
They can't be.
Those ones are fucking soaked. Supposed to put their hand in fucking water, bro.
It's a thing.
Damn, bro.
I hate shaking people's hands. Like when we have guests come in, I have to purposely always go to the bathroom before. Wash my hands. I have to dry them out. I literally have my hands under them for ages before we have a guest, because under the hand dryer, because I know it's gonna be sweaty. It pisses me off. Happens all the fucking time. But apparently you can go. There's a spray you can do, and it like locks up all your follicles or whatever to stop you from sweating. But I don't like that because we sweat for a reason as well. So that's fucking weird. I don't know. Especially in this heat, it's even worse. It pisses me off. There's no need for it, especially in the hands. Armpits I can deal with. Hands are always soaked.
Damn.
I don't know what's going on.
Damn. Soaked is actually
Yeah, it is.
Soaked is nuts. I didn't think you were gonna say soaked. Sorry, bro. That is
Does my head in.
that's one of the things that, as you're talking about it, I can. If I had that, I would really hate that. So I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I fucking hate that.
Isn't it?
Game. Right. Next.
Rem, please.
Oh yeah, you got your one.
Your one.
Mine is my recent lack of discipline.
Interesting.
achieve it, move on. And yeah, I just haven't been able to.
Can you give us an example?
We just spoke about gym, falling off gym.
Yeah.
Falling off sports. My sleep, my relationship with sleep is terrible right now. I finish stream late.
I've never even heard it worded like that before.
My relationship with sleep is dreadful. I finish stream late. And then I'm trying to get to bed as soon as possible, but like I'm starting late, so it pushes the end late, and I'm just like, yeah, bro, it's rough. And then I actually switched from streaming two streams recently because I know. So back in three streams per week, and I can't keep up with this. I've switched down. I'm down to 2 streams a week now. And that was a step to getting back on track, which it's worked. I only stream Thursdays, Saturdays now, Tuesdays now, charged, but I'm chilling and I'm making sure instead of streaming till late, I'm.
So if you want to get shot,
All I know is that I was depressed before, and now I.
there's your glove. Talking about drop this and drop that. Brother, you want to get dropped? What, are you going to hit me with a folder holder? You're not going to touch me, bro. I've dodged that. This. Bro, see what this for? Judo for 15. There's your glove. Talking about drop this and drop that. Brother, you want to get dropped? What, are you going to hit me with a folder holder?
Yes! I'm just sitting here, man. This dude, Lamaine Lamo, literally only had 10 million followers on his TikTok page before Spain and him ended up winning the World Cup. Go look at his account. Go look at his account right now and tell me how much he has. Well, if
In Norway, women have the largest natural breasts in the world, averaging between D and E cups. South Korea has the highest average IQ per capita, with an average score of 107. In Brazil, 15% of the population identifies as LGBT. In Indonesia, 71% of men
To have a lower wick. Alright, I've entered into a buy here for price to continue to push up. And that's what it's gonna do because I said so. 30 pips in. Yep. I think one more push and it should. There you go.